to stay in Singapore, Insane Edition. We're here in Hotel Calmo, Bugis. This is one of the hotels that can cater 3 packs in a room, because most of the hotels here in Singapore, either A-base or any other budget hotel, their minimum is 2 packs. It's so hard. So bakit pinili namin ang Hotel Calmo? Kasi na-stress kami sa Manila. Gusto namin maging calm. Uwi. Tayo dyan. Ay, ni Macdo oh. Ay, ni Macdo. Ayan oh. Hindi tayo mag-dinner. Sa Bugis, my favorite place. Ito yung hotel natin, Hotel Calmo. Right side guys, record mo na Shane. May dahil pala kainan dito.
Anong hotel?
Hotel Calmo.
Hotel Calmo?
Maraming kainan dito, may 7-Eleven. Uy, Fat Bird. Kung may Bad Bird, may Fat Bird.
You've arrived at your destination.
We're here guys, Hotel Calmo. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Very worth it. Ang bilis namin.
Thank you, my kuya.
Thank you. So dito yung entrance sa Hotel Calmo. So second floor yung Hotel Calmo guys. Medyo... Okay, mauna na kayo. Hold ko lang. Hello. Hello, good afternoon. We're here, Hotel Calmo Boutique, Bugis. Let's go check in guys. Every time you do something in Singapore, you need to show your passport. Their lobby is a bit small, but it's a budget hotel. One of the hotels that you can avail that has 3 packs for a cheaper price. Because most of the rooms, most of the hotels in Singapore, their minimum room only allows 2 packs. So Hotel Calmo is, for me, is the better option here in Bugis. Standard check-in is 3 PM. So here's their hotel policy. Age requirement: guests must be 18 years old or older with photo classification to check in. Check-in, check-out. Standard check-in is 3 PM. Check-out is 11 AM. Deposit collection upon arrival, 100 Singapore dollars. No smoking. Smoking is not permitted. They require 100 Singapore dollars room deposit. And you need to surrender the passports. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. Finally. Bigay ko sa ito. Bye-bye.
Here's Finding G. Bye,
Team 5. Because we're insane. Guys, you can book Grab Food, Food Panda, and then you're going to collect the food at the lobby. It's allowed. Okay, sa isang anbang room nyo, para ba tayo ng room?
I think 301 ka.
We're going to vlog is room 303.
Mas maganda yung
Oh, talaga?
mas maluwag.
Mas masikip dito. Okay, so we're here at Hotel Calmo, Bugis, room 303. Let's go! Hindi ko talaga. Wow! Maliit lang pala siya, guys. As opposed to sa nakita ko sa na parang diagonal. Pang corner pala yun. Pero ito isa sa mga kwarto na parang pa-square type. So, okay naman siya. Budget hotel naman talaga expectation natin sa Singapore. May mas budget pa dito na pag-stayan ko. So for me, medyo social na budget pa to. So, look at this, yung ating kwarto, features, 6 3 packs yung nakuha namin, 3 complimentary water, may mga tea, sugar, white sugar, initan ng tubig, hair blower, plancha, and may tatlong sinelas. So dito yung aircon. Tumutulog siya. Okay naman, malamig naman siya. On the left side, meron tayong computer. TV pala to. TV pala. At least in terms mga ding relaxing, hindi siya parang ordinary chair. May wifi dito. May drawer, tapos di ko alam kung ba't may paper bag. Since 3 packs to, may isang queen size bed. I mean double bed queen size bed, but mukha siyang double bed. Kasi ito yung sofa bed. Para isa dito, yung parang tao matutulog dito. Sofa bed test. Ang tigas! Ang tigas. Pero malambot yung Puso pa na matigas ng kama. So don't expect too much na sobrang lambot. Kasi kailangan kalmado tayo dito. Hotel Calmo. Itong sigit lang. Ayun. Joke na siya yun eh. Kaya ko lang. Ito yung bed nila. Manipis yung unan. Okay sa leg ko to. Ayoko na masyadong makapal. So malambot. Ito, hindi siya mukhang budget. Okay naman siya sa akin. May dalawang tuwalya. Merong rep. May basurahan. Tignan niyo guys yung view. Ay. Ito na lang. Ayun, nakita nyo. Maganda naman ang view dito. Kita yung mga restaurant sa labas. Medyo padilim na. Maulan dito sa Singapore guys. Check natin yung CR. Ang sikip dito guys. Pero yun nga, expected naman. Ingat tayo dito sa baba. Pag-entering. Umabang ka kasi dito, on your left yung shower. Magandang CR in fairness. For me, parang 5-star ang dating for a budget. Rainfall shower. May option na hindi rainfall. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner kompleto. Marble type. Parang bagong ganda. Ano siya? Pang-mumu siguro kasi nandito yung mga mga dental kit. Ayun, dito lang. So you don't need to worry about the toiletries. May bidet! Uy, lakas. Ayun. May bidet. And dito sa kaliwa, yung may sink. Hot and cold ba? Oh, hot and cold siya. Pero walang init. Wala pa. Ay, hot and cold, uminit eh. Okay. Alright, may saksakan din dito for saver. Right, so we will be staying here for 3 days, 2 nights. So I'm with Team Seniors, me and the 2 seniors, my parents, and the other team is Team Fighting Gia, yung may hawak na camera ngayon. So we're doing collaboration in promoting different hotels in Singapore, in Manila. So you can use our 2 promo codes in St. Luke for an additional discount, and for Team Fighting Gia, it's Fighting Gia Luke. Later on, darating ang Team Zinzik. So, meron din sila promo code, Zinzik Look.
Keycard, which is isa lang yung binigay na reception. So, every time na lalabas kayo, mawawala lahat ng kuryente and everything. And you just have to inject ulit and restart the process. So, then dito naman yung...
Ay! Aba! Puy-puy ka talaga.
Gitna lang, gitna lang.
Ikaw na mag-alok.
Gia, cute!
Naka-record yan.
Gia, paano cute? Ayun, duduk! Okay na siya. Good na siya sa picture.
Puy ka talaga!
Buksan mo kasi
Guys, ito naman yung other room, pero same room type, but mas malaki to kasi corner. Ito yung itsura naman niya. Ay. So, this is room 301. Ito yung cabinet.
May amoy dito.
Ayan na. Same benefits. Ayan. Yung milk tea, tubig, same aesthetic, yung kanilang ceiling, and then may malaking bed, parang king size bed yan, same lang naman. Tapos may sofa bed din, ayan mas malaki dito, sofa bed, and CR nila, ayun, mas maganda dito. Wow! Ayun Hotel Calmo, malinis sa CR. Sa ulan. Yeah, it's raining. Okay, we can eat here. So we're just outside Hotel Calmo. There are a lot of restaurants that you can try. It's just outside Hotel Calmo. It's like Chinatown. It's like Binondo. Panos. What's up guys? Welcome back to Insane World. So we're still here in Singapore. Kakagising ko lang. It's one of my longest sleep talaga. Kasi natulog ako ng mga bandang 11:30 PM kahapon to 12. Tapos nagising ako 8 AM. Mahimbing yung tulog ko. As in 8 hours. Sa Singapore pa siya na-achieve. Kasi sobrang pagod nga. First day. But maulan sa labas. Tignan nyo. Ayun o. Maulan pa rin. Hala. We decided to cancel yung Skyline Luge, yung outdoor experience sana doon sa Sentosa. But yung Harry Potter na indoor activity, tutuloy pa rin namin yun sa Sentosa Island. Mamaya pa naman yun. So ngayon, more on indoor shopping, siguro sa Bugis, siguro sa Mustapa. Ako, mag-gym ako sa Fitness First Bugis. Isa yun sa gusto ko ma-achieve pagbalik dito. Kasi dati, nung Bugis Junction ako, gusto ko may gym. Iba yung gym kasi nila that time. Sabi ko sana may Fitness First. Okay, may Fitness First na sila. So pwede ako mag-gym doon. Passport, international passport style daw. So, let's see. Breakfast muna kami sa McDo. Habol namin yung breakfast. Wala, magulo yung kwarto. Dito ako natulog. Komportable naman ako natulog sa sofa. Pero setting expectation, matigas yung kama. Sa akin, pabor sa akin yan eh. Okay sa sa likod ko. Yeah, A, B. So dito sa floor namin guys, may pailaw dito. Pwede kayong mag-work dito sa tabi. Tapos may free wifi, Hotel Calmo password. Kita lang yung password dito. So, may fire hydrant, may CCTV, so secure tayo dito. No, Gia! Come over here. Come over here. Dito, kay Lola. Kay Lola. Dito. Ayan, so doon yung kwarto namin. Dito tayo sa 3rd floor. Ayan, si Daddy. Yay! Rainy elevator in Singapore.
Rainy birthday ni Momo.
Guys, ito yung parang lobby nila. Maliit lang naman. Tsaka yung parang waiting area for check-in. Ayan, may mga upuan, may mga table. Para sa waiting guests. Tapos yung mga luggages is nandito. May luggage area here. Tapos meron sila dito I'm not sure kung pwede magpainit kasi meron silang microwave oven dito. So, may mga kwarto na rin dito. Yan ang view niya. May aircon. Budget hotel talaga siya, guys. Sana ako na spare key pero wala yata nagbabantay. So, may lang. Pagbaba, ito.
Or bolster.
Wala eh.
Walang
tao. Tara, hindi ko naman maantay. Lakas sa ulan. Ay, may vending machine sila dito. Susukot kami sa ulan nung napakalakas. Sabi namin, ayaw namin mainit sa Singapore. Yan, tuloy umulan. Eh, malamig-lamig tuloy dito sa Singapore. Ayan, maulan na. Maulan na Singapore. Pakaulan na. O, ingat. Yung mga Skechers nyo, mababasa. Alright, so final food, Magnum Bago, Wonder Golden Toffee. Let's try this one. We're back to the hotel. Kamusta ang experience sa Bugis?
Ang dami ko nabili.
Kakarating nyo lang, grabe. Mas matagal pala kayo. Wow, so tomorrow, lilipat na kami ng hotel. We'll provide a review for Hotel Calmo as well. And then, lipat tayo sa Orchard Road. And kami sa Holiday Inn Express Orchard. Sila Team Fighting Gia is sa hotel naman. So, see you tomorrow. Papahinga na kami. Baka bukas may gawin pa kami activities before our check-out. Okay? Gia, say bye-bye. 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 Today it's, what's the date today? March 21, 2025. 4 hours of sleep kasi yung kwarto namin mahina yung aircon. So naging dry siya kasi nga nilalamig yung seniors. Kasama ko sa team seniors and nagkaroon ako ng allergy attack. Pag ganun lagi na hindi malamig ang aircon. So yun, 4 hours ang tulog ko. Nagising kagad ako. So punta kami sa Little India. Paaga pa lang ngayon. Look at this. Oh, ito yung katabi ng Hotel Calmo. Puro restaurant. And ito mismo yung hotel. Very convenient shop. Tawag dito. Very convenient yung location niya. Tapos, malapit lang siya sa MRT ng Bugis. Ito yung dinadaanan ko. Pakita ko din sa inyo. Kasama natin si Team Aiding Gia. So, sila ang tour guide ko. Kahit ilang beses na ako sa Singapore, first time ko lang itong ginagawa. Ay, di pala. Yung first visit ko na ganito rin ako ka-explorer. May mga araw na guys dito sa Singapore. Wow! May araw na! Oh my God! Yay! Dito tayo sa Merlion, Suntec. For the before and after. Pagbalik ka lang ba? O... Tapos lunch tayo sa Suntec. Ha? Ano na? Prepare muna. Tapos check out.
Ako.
That Suntec tayo.
Iwan gamit. Kasi malapit ang Suntec dito.
Ay kasi yung mga bagay pala natin.
Maraming pagkakataon.
Inisip ko paano ba yun? No?
Meron namang station doon na iwanan.
O iwan muna natin sa hotel. Late na lang tayo mag-check-in, no? Sige. Guys, when there's opportunity na walang ulan dito sa Singapore, kasi nga for the past 2 days maulan sa Singapore. So ngayon nakita namin walang ulan. Ayun, no? Whee! Ay, dito pala yung papunta MRT. Sa kabilang side lang. Feeling ko nung year 2005, dito ako pinakain nung Singaporean players noon. Hindi ko lang siya na-document, na picturean kasi nagkakahiyaan kami. Ay nilang nagpipicture or something. Feeling ko nga dito ako pinakain noon. Medyo naalala ko na. Okay, so MRT. Ayan, ito na yung MRT. Lapit lang guys. Diba? Sa Hotel Calmo. Bugis area. Kapag gusto nyo ng murang bilihin, maliban sa Chinatown, kaya pinili ko yung Bugis. Number 1, nostalgic sa akin. Number 2, alam ko mumurahin dito. Number 3, visit yung hotels. Ang feedback kasi sa Chinatown, yung mga hotels, dito okay eh. Kaya pinili ko talaga dito. Maraming purpose, kumbaga. Left side lang kayo. Okay, saglit na kami sa Little India. I-take advantage namin yung may araw. Saka kami sa Merlion kasi outdoor yun eh. Saka siguro ano, yung Suntec, yung before and after ko. Ito yung dati. Ayan. Bye bye. Hi guys, so it's time to review Hotel Calmo Bugis. So as you remember, I review different hotels in the Philippines and around the globe with 5 criteria. Number 1 is the location, number 2 is the options of rooms, number 3 is both foods and services, number 4 the amenities, and number 5 is for the price. Let's start with the location. This is located in Bugis, one of the most famous location here in Singapore. If you're looking for cheap things, cheap souvenirs with a lot of restaurants, cheaper than the usual Singapore luxury. So it's very near in Bugis MRT station. I've shown you on the blog there are 2 ways for you to get into the Bugis MRT station. It's very close. You don't need a taxi, you don't need a bus to ride. Just walking distance away from those. We have 7-Eleven very near from this hotel. I would say 5/5 for location. Number 2 is the options of rooms. I'm thinking about the category for budget hotel. I've looked a lot of Singapore hotels, particularly budget hotels. Majority of them, one room has a max capacity of 2 pax for a certain amount of the certain amount. So Hotel Calmo is just, I believe it's the cheapest that can accommodate 3 persons in 1 room. So that's the cheapest one and with the best location. So I will say that's the best part. But unfortunately, it's like there's only 1 type of room or 2, very few. So that's 4/5 for the options of rooms. Third criteria, food and services. Food, they didn't offer any food, so not applicable. So for the services, they're very nice. They greeted us, they're smiling. It's a different kind of attitude that I've noticed. I've been into Singapore many times, and I think they're more friendly. They're more friendly than 20 years ago. So that's a positive feedback. So I would say 5 for the services. And actually, I asked for an extension, additional 30 minutes, because 11 a.m. is their checkout time. I asked for additional 30 minutes to fix our things. So it's already 11:14, so I only have 15 minutes left. So that's another thing. So 5 over 5 for services. 420 area amenities. They don't have a swimming pool. They don't have a gym. For the room, I would say you've seen the room. It's like aesthetic. It's a different kind of room. Like, it's not for a classic type of room that we expect. It's not standard, but the bed, I was able to sleep 8 hours on the first night. Second night, I explained it already before, but it's just on me. So the bathroom is really good. The soap, the tiles, the marble, you know, so everything is good. Sofa bed, I was able to sleep. So if I'm going to combine it, I will say for the amenities and the room, total of 3 over 5 for the score. For the price, standard wise, for 3 packs, it's one of the cheapest. But if just 2 packs, there are cheaper ones outside of this hotel. There are different budget hotels that are cheaper than Hotel Calmo, but I built 3 packs, so I hope you did. And so far, it's the cheapest for our setup. So I would say 4 over 5. Yeah, you can also make it cheaper if you're going to use my Klook promo code. It's St. Klook for an additional discount. Alright, so total score for Hotel Calmo Bugis, 4.2 over 5. So I hope you like our review of Hotel Calmo Bugis, and I hope you will consider this as one of your hotels if you're going to Singapore. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the share button if you would like to share it to your friends, to your families, to your colleagues. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. And I would say that Hotel Calmo Bugis is an insane hotel. Thanks, guys. Okay, so check out Hotel Calmo. This is where you will leave your luggage area if in case you wanted to go somewhere within the city. Because we're planning to go to Suntec City, we're going to walk, going to Esplanade, and then going to Berlayon. Hopefully there's no rain when we go there. So here in Hotel Calmo.
Here in Singapore, they have parking.
Gia. Lapit sa Hotel Calmo, so walking distance, it's Bugis Junction. My favorite mall for the past many years. Ba't mainit? Hindi siya 25 pesos ha. So many memories here in Bugis Junction. Kabataan ko. And katandaan ko. Dahil bago dito. Ay, good for pagka to. Lavender.